Are we doing horns or are we doing goal songs? Because those are two very different things. Or are we combining them into one master thing? NHL tier list for combination horn and song. The song, not sold on. The horn's a solid like 4 out of 5. The song is meh. Duck called in ZZ Top's Shark Dress Man. Goal and horn. I'm gonna call it okay. The horn gets me. Song doesn't do much for me. Last I recall, they were using, no, not Black Eyed. I was about to say Black Eyed Keys. They were using a Black Keys song. Horn's a little annoying, gotta say. They're still using the song. Does this song get you amped up? Does this song get you excited about the fact that your team just scored a goal? Between that horn and that song, I'm not on board with that. So I'm going to put the Coyotes simply in meh territory. It's not bad. It's just meh. I pretty much know what this is. They have been Kerncraft 400's Zombie Nation for ages. Also, I like their horn, so let's see if I'm right. Yeah, I mean, look, there are some goal songs that stick around because they're tradition, and then there are some goal songs that stick around because they're anthems and because they just work. I'm gonna put the Boston Bruins, as much as I hate to do this, I'm gonna give them a solid good. I like that. If I'm in that stadium, I'm getting excited when I hear that go off, even though it means that the Bruins scored and I hate the Bruins. That's a good horn. That's a good horn. Ooh, that's new. That did not used to be their song. When did that song come around? Like, in general, I'm not a big Kanye fan, but they adopted a baseball tradition. Baseball, every batter has a song they walk up to the plate to. And I guess it makes me wonder who picked Kanye for theirs. I honestly don't care that much. Horn, I really like the horn. Song, I'm not sold on. So I'll give him an okay. Iconic horn. Come on now. How do you hate on AC/DC? Their horn is iconic. It's a little bit high pitched, but it's also unique in that aspect. It doesn't annoy me. It's just different. It may not, no, it's gonna get me fired up. I can't lie. Nope, it's fire. Calgary Flames, you done good. Listen to the bass. Huh? What is that? What song is that? No, I've never heard that song. Where do I put the Hurricanes for that? I really like their horn. The song is meh. I guess that means they go in okay, right? Maybe if I was more familiar with the song, it might hit differently. Apparently that's a North Carolina thing, but I'm not from North Carolina. I like North Carolina, but I'm not from there. So Carolina gets an okay one. Chicago, I'm not going to say it's good, but it is memorable. No matter where I hear that song, my mind immediately goes to the Chicago Blackhawks. So for that reason, again, I'm not going to call it good because I don't really believe that it is, but I'll give it an okay. The horn's better than the song. hits my ear in a bad way. The song is good, and it's better because it has the chant built into it, and the crowd really gets into that chant. But that horn, like, I feel it in my brain, not in a good way. That's an incredible song. The horn is dinging it points. Otherwise, it would be fire. I'm going to call it good. Kind of same thing with that horn, though. Oh, they have two. The cannon is incredible. AC/DC is incredible. I actually know that, I know that from somewhere else, but I can't pinpoint where, and I can't think of exactly what song it is. So as an experience, the song is good. Horn sucks. Only because AC/DC do you get an okay. Otherwise, you are meh or lower. Actually, you know what? It might have to go. It might have to go into meh because they didn't stick with AC/DC. They had a wonderful idea, and they bolted over for this very samey, boppy closing thing. The canon is good. The canon is redeeming it. This was custom written for the Dallas Stars, and all you need to do is hear this, and you'll understand why I hate it. Oh, I hate it so much! I hate it! You know what makes it worse? I want to like it because Pantera wrote the music part of it. Pantera! And then they made that nonsense of a chant to go along with it. And it sucks! Dallas Stars, for everything, you're going in bad. Just bad. Every time I have to sit through a Dallas Stars goal at a game, I hate myself a little bit more. It's going in bad. I haven't actually heard Detroit's in a long time because they don't score many goals. Not digging that horn. Not digging that horn. I think that may be our first trash one. For such a historic hockey town, you can do better. That's bad. That's bad. That's disgusting. Edmonton has probably the most polarizing horn in the league, and they have kind of another, if it's the same one, they are using a song that the Lightning used to use as a goal song. Yes, I am. Song is generic. I can get into it. Horn is awful. It's polarizing for a reason. Edmonton is going in the bad category. 1, because of the horn. 2, because they stole the goal song. That's a meaty horn. I like the horn. Really? They picked Barbra Streisand for their song? Barbra Streisand by freaking, what is it, duck sauce? No, come on. You can do better, Florida. It's a good horn with a bad song. It's going in bad. LA Kings, it's got a train horn, and I dig the train horn. I dig the train horn. Generic chant. An awesome horn with a generic song, generic chant. It's not bad. It is. It is a very GTFO style horn. And I really, really like that. It is doing a lot of heavy lifting on this one. But overall experience, the Kings are getting a meh. horn's okay. It's hard to hear. Okay, there it is. Shout. It is. It's a top tier song. It absolutely is. The horn. Is the horn memorable enough to be fire? It's good. Like, it's going in good at the very least. But I want to know if you think that this goal horn is fire. It has just a little bit of that shrillness to it, but it works. All right, we're going to put the Minnesota Wild in fire. Overall, I'm in the arena and I hear that, I'm getting amped. Oh, I hate it. I hate it so much. I hate it. Make it stop. Sorry, that's bad. That's bad. Canadians, like many other things, you're going in the disgusting category. And I make no apologies about that. I love their horn. Their goal song, okay, their goal song, I do not like. It's another earworm. It gets stuck in my head and I hate it. But what I will say is Nashville has one of the best crowds that get into this goal song. So it's probably going to be redeemed, but give it a fresh listen. The Predators, again, the song, I despise it. I despise the song. The song's plural. But what saves this experience is if you've been to a Predators game, that crowd is one of the best that I've ever experienced in hockey. So, great horn, awful song, songs plural, but great like experience overall when the crowd gets into it and starts chanting and everything. We're going to put the Preds at an okay. Nothing grabs me about it. Nothing's particularly offensive about it either. But like, it's okay. It doesn't even make me want to listen to it again. Like, meh is probably the perfect word to describe this one. It's meh, which is sad because the Devils actually score a lot of goals and they deserve a better song. Yep, I remember this now. That's probably one where it's way better if you actually hear it in the arena, but overall, I listen to that, I'm like, it's okay. It's whatever. I appreciate when teams try to do something custom for their teams, but like, that's also going to go in the meh category, I think. Don't like the horn. The Rangers are better than meh, so it's probably just okay, but I can't give a ton of points to that. The Ottawa Senators. See what you got. It is a car horn, for sure. It's a Kia Sorrento horn. And they went with Blur Song 2. Song 2 as a celebration song was great in like the early 2000s. It is now overplayed. It's The Ottawa Senators, you're getting a meh out of me. The Flyers, if history tells us anything, and if the current state of the team tells us anything, this is gonna go even below disgusting. But let's see. Oh gosh, no, no. What the hell did I just listen to? That horn, by the way, is awful. I could see this song being good with a different horn. No, I'll call it an okay song. So it's getting a meh out of me. Maybe it grows on me more over time. Post-punk, there you go. I like that horn. It's good. It's good. I like it. Andrew WK, let's go. When did the Penguins get Andrew WK? Let's get a party going. Party going. I like that. I'm prepared to put that in good. Not fire, but good. I don't remember what their song is though. Oh, it's this. Okay. For the same reasons that I was not big on song 2 being like a good goal song, like it's dated. That horn is fire tier for sure. I love the San Jose Sharks horn. It is fire. But the overall experience, combining it with the song, it's okay. And I promise I'm not just doing this to make a oddly phallic symmetrical tier list. It fits. It's Seattle. It's Seattle. The only thing that I would ding it for is it has a little bit of odd tone to the horn, but not enough to really make it bad. The Seattle Kraken isn't even an option. You can just pretend. I'll put it in post-production. Seattle Kraken goes right here. Right here. This is true. Oh, Saint Gloria. No! 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 Make it stop! Sing Gloria. I hate it. The horn is okay. The song, it's bad. It's not disgusting, but it is bad. In addition to this, there's a Tesla coil hanging from the ceiling that is shooting out electricity. It's fire. I like the horn. It's got a deeper tone in the arena, but the song, like I said, it's generic. The band that wrote that song, which is Mona, the song itself is called Goons, and they wrote a version specifically for the Tampa Bay Lightning. And there were so many other things that the Lightning could have done with that. The Lightning are going to get an okay from me. You could use Ride the Lightning. You can use Thunderstruck again. You can use so many options. Toronto Maple Leafs. I know where I'm putting this one because you put Hall & Oates as your goal song. No, not Thunder by Imagine Dragons. It's not good enough. This song needs to change. Listen, Hall & Oates, good memories, good songs, but it doesn't fit for a celebration of a hockey goal when everybody's supposed to be going nuts. Like you're expecting all these people from the 70s and 80s just to be up in the stands going, yeah, let's go Leafs. No, that song needs to change. I'm back and forth. It's a good horn, a good song, but an inappropriate song for the instance. I gotta put it in meh. It's been around too long. It doesn't fit. There's nothing about the song that really excites me. It's going in meh. A different song happens first, I guarantee it. Different song before Leafs win a cup. I'm calling it. Oh, that two-tone. I don't like it. Ah, it's in my head again. Ah! Wait, really? This is their goal song? Don't You Forget About Me? Okay. Again, like Hall & Oates, it's a good song. I feel like this isn't the instance for it. Putting Vancouver in bad. An okay horn. The song is being drowned out. I barely hear it. It had that very same that same tempo of, oh gosh, what is it? 1985 by Bowling for Soup. Vegas Lights by Panic at the Disco. It's on brand. It's meh. It's meh. Washington, I don't know if it'll actually play in here, but apart from the horn, which is okay, they also play a siren, which is not okay. Foo Fighters, though. Washington, for an overall meh experience, you get a meh rating. Actual train horn. Not as good as LA's train horn, but actual train horn. I kind of dig it, actually. I kind of dig it. I feel like I'm going to put Winnipeg as a solid good. Like, we're ending on a fairly high note with them. When I went into this, I did not expect that Calgary and Minnesota were going to be the only two occupying the fire spot. And again, if you break up songs from horns, you could probably put a few more up into the fire category. But like, overall, I'm happy with that. It doesn't surprise me that most of the league is okay or below. Let's be honest, if you're creating a product like this, like a goal horn and a celebration, you kind of have to use stuff that's tried and true and like hit lowest common denominator and whatnot. So it doesn't surprise me, but anyway, there you go.